Instructions. Select each card to flip it over and read more about each of the lessons in this module. Light energy. I think the answer is gonna be light affects power that is given by the stars. On Earth, we receive the sun's energy, which makes it light during the daytime. Light energy. Let's see the answer. Light is a form of energy that is given off by the stars on Earth. We receive the sun's energy, which makes it light during the daytime. Next one, star size. I think the answer is gonna be when describing the sizes of the star, we usually compare them to the size of the sun. Some stars are many times larger than the sun and some are smaller. Let's see the answer. Stars. When describing the sizes of the stars, we usually compare them to the size of the sun. Some stars are many times larger than the sun and others are much smaller. Next, star size and brightness. I think the answer is gonna be astronomers place stars in groups based on how they're alike and how they're different. Some stars are this brightness. Stars are telling us how much light they gives off, and we could see stars. Some stars are bigger, and we don't like. Some stars are bigger, so that's why we see much light. Some stars are dim, that's why we see a little bit of light. Let's see the answer. Star size and brightness. Astronomers place stars in groups based on how they are alike and how they are different. The brightness of a star tells us how much light a star gives off. Some stars are bright and give off a lot of light. Some stars are dim and do not give off much light. Let's see the next one. Distance. Distance affects the way stars look from Earth. We use distance like no. When describing brightness of a distance is stars that are close from Earth are larger than the stars that are far away, and I think this is gonna be the answer. Let's see the answer. Distance affects the way stars look from Earth. Stars that are closer to Earth appear larger than the stars that are far away. The brightness of a star is also affected by distance. A star does not appear as bright if it is farther away. Next, fixed points of light. The answer is the stars come as fixed points of light, and if we want to describe in the same time at night time, then we will get the same location of it, and we cannot see the stars in morning because the sun's glare hidden them. Let's see the answer. Fixed points of light. The stars appear as fixed points of light in the sky. If you observe the sky at the same time each night, you will notice the stars in the same location. As the sun rises, the stars seem to disappear because the sun's glare is hiding other points. There are many other points of light that are not stars, such as satellites, airplanes, comets, and meteor. Those are not fixed points of light because they move. Sometimes we can see light in the night sky that are not stars. These are often airplanes or satellites. They are not fixed points of light because they are moving. Telescopes and models. I think the answer is gonna be we use telescopes to see something farther away to make it larger again. And when we see the small, and scientists need to use them to learn more about planets, comets, and other stuff space. And in models, we make them as real things that we see in space, and sometimes we can make them as real, but sometimes they are not real model stuff. But if we use models, we can learn more about space. Telescopes make faraway objects in space look larger and much closer. Scientists use them to study space. Models can be used to learn more about the real things. They are like the real things in some ways, but not other. They may not same size, they may be missing details, and they may not be accurate as the real. Now let's go to the next one. Match each word with its definition. Energy. That's energy, and that thing is gonna be the answer because energy is an ability. Star, a ball of gas of light that gives off light. This is gonna be the answer because star is a ball of gas light that gives light. Model, a representation of the real thing, make it easier to understand. The answer is gonna be this one because model is a representation for the real to get easier to understand. Correct. Next, instructions. Answer each of the following question. Okay, stars. A star that is farther away appear dash than a closer star. Answer is gonna be smaller because when a star is farther away and it will appear smaller. Correct. Stars do not appear in the day sky because they move away in the daytime. The sun burns them away. They're hidden by the sun's glare. They're far away. They're hidden by the sun's glare because we think that the stars don't stay at daytime, but in daytime they do stay. The sun's glare make them invisible to see. That's why we cannot see the stars at daytime. Correct. Next, the sun shining bright. Why does the sun look much larger than the others? It is much farther from Earth. It is the largest star in the universe. It is much closer to Earth. It is the brightest in the universe. The answer is because the sun is closer to Earth. That's why we could see the sun big. The other stars are far away. That's why we could see the stars small. But millions of stars. Some stars are bigger than sun. Thank you for my respected teacher and my friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.